Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do unbox the Vivo V20. And guys, and this is a new high-end mid-range phone from Vivo which is costing around 60,000 PKR in Pakistan market. And guys, in this price range we get a 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB of internal storage. And Vivo just launched one variant of this phone which I have right now. And guys, on the back we get some more specification about the Vivo V20 phone. And you can see we have a 44 megapixel eye autofocus front camera, and also we have a ultra matte glass on the back and a 64 megapixel triple cameras on the back. And also we have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset, and the color I have is the sunset melody color, which is a really beautiful color, I have to say. So now let's quickly open this box. And you can see, and guys, on the top we get one more mini box. Let's see. And guys, inside of this box we get a summarization tool, and you can see, and also we have a quick start guide which is also in Urdu language. And guys, here is the Vivo V20, and you can see. So now I'm gonna just put the site here. And guys, also we have a silicone case with the Vivo V20, and you can see on the back we've got a very big camera cutout. And guys, inside of this box we got this adapter, and you can see, and the bay rating on this adapter, it is 11 volt with a 3 ampere. This won't give you a 33 watt super fast charging. And also we got a USB type C cable, and also we have a headphones with the Vivo V20 as well, with a headphone jack as well. Remove the plastic, and guys, you can see that this is a really beautiful back color, and you can see, and guys, on the back it is made up of glass. That's a really good thing on this phone. You get a new color when you see this phone with a different angle. Now let's quickly boot this phone up and see the physical overview of this phone. And guys, on the bottom we get a speaker, USB type C port, main microphone, as well as a headphone jack. On the left hand side we get a SIM tray. On the top we get a noise cancellation microphone. And guys, on the right hand side we have a volume up and volume down rocker with a power key, and you can see. And guys, on the back we got a triple cameras on the back, and the main sensor on the back is a 64 megapixel. Then we have a ultra wide as well as a depth sensor, I believe. On the front we got a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display. So now let's quickly set up this phone up. And guys, here is the first boot of the Vivo V20, and you can see. And guys, and the first impression about the display quality, I have to say that, and the display quality, it is really good on this phone because we have a full HD Super AMOLED display, and the colors, everything looks more amazing on this phone. And guys, you can see that this phone, it is running on very different OS that we see on the previous Vivo phones. Now let's go to the about phone. You can see that this phone, it is running on Android 11, and you can see, and this is the first phone in the Pakistan market that is running on Android 11 right out the box. And you can see we got a Android 11, and also we have a Fun Touch OS version 11. This time Vivo give you a more stock Android like software, and you can see when you go to the app drawer as well as the notification area, and you can see it is more like a Google Pixel phone. And you can see as well as the setting. Now let's go to the display and the brightness area, and you can see, and also we have a dark mode as well as a eye protection and a adaptive brightness feature. And guys, we got a 128 GB of internal storage out of 114 GB. It is available for you guys. And guys, now let's see the fingerprint scanner, and you can see we have this logo. You can see, and the fingerprint scanner, it is also really fast on this phone, no issue whatsoever. So now let's see the camera. And guys, this phone give you a quad cameras on the back. We have a macro mode as well on this phone. And guys, also we have a ultra wide, and you can see here is your normal, and here is your super wide angle, and you can see. And guys, in this mode you can take very close-up shots without any problem, and you can see. And also we have a portrait mode, and you can see. And also we have a night mode. In the video section we also have a video stabilization option on this phone, as well as this option which enables a cinema camera. And now let's see the video recording size, and you can see in the back camera also shoot. And guys, you can see that we get a 720p 60 fps as well as a full HD with a 50 fps maximum, and a 4K with a 30 fps. And you can see not full HD 60 fps, and the front camera, it is coming at 44 megapixel. And you can see here is the front camera. And guys, we have this eye autofocus feature on this phone, and you can see in the autofocus, it is really good on this phone. And the front camera also have a portrait mode, and the night mode, it is also available with the front camera as well. And in the mode section, we also have a 64 megapixel mode as well as a slow motion, and you can see, and guys, you can see that we have a 720p with 240 fps slow mo feature on this phone. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Vivo V20. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And guys, overall I really impressed by this color on the back. We got this matte finish. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.